Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, you learn how to enable Applock in Oneplus 10 Pro smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings app. Then swipe up. Need to choose privacy. Now you can see the option called Applock. You need to click on that. So in order to enable the Applock, you need to set the privacy password first. Then click set unified password. First of all, you need to enter your pattern. Now enter my password. You can enter your own password. Now need to enter the teacher's name. It asks some random letters. Click OK. Now click start and click the Applock again. Enable that. Now you can enable any app to lock. So I will choose Chrome. Then click use. Then click files. Now come back to the main screen. So when I try to open Chrome, it will ask it for password. If you want to disable the Applock, again go to the settings. Then verify your fingerprint or enter your privacy password. Then disable the apps. Now you can access the apps without password. Also, once the app is opened by fingerprint or password, it opened till you lock the phone. After you lock and open the phone, the privacy password started automatically. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.